Now, good morning, dear children. Today we start here exercise 5.7 of class 8 of decimal chapter, and the first question is add the following. Here we add. Here the question is given here 2.6 plus 4.1. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. 4 plus 2 equal 6. 4 to 6. 6.7. This is your answer. Now here second question 6.3 and plus 2.78. So dear children, 3 is written here in the 10th place and 7 is also written here in the 10th place, and 8 is written here in the 1000th place. But in this number 6.3, only 3 is written here in 10th place, and in the 1000th place is no number. So we make the like decimal. Like decimal means this. We increase 1 0 3 0. Okay. Now add 8 plus 0 equal 8. 7 plus 3 equal 10. 0 carry 1. And 6 to 8 1 carry 9. Okay. Now 9 plus 6 equal 15. 5 carry 1. 8 5 13 1 carry 14 4 carry 1, and 7 1 8. Okay. Now next 8 7 15 5 carry 1. 9 1 10 0 carry 1. 9 1 10 0 carry 1. 6 4 10 1 11, and here decimal. The answer is 11.005. Now the next question, question number 2. Arrange in column and add. Here the question is 9 plus 3.87. Okay. Now dear children, here we write here. First we write here in the column. So 9.00 3.87. Dear children, why we increase here 20? Because this is an unlike decimal. Unlike and like decimal. So dear children, 9.2, 9.5956, 8.2346. This is 4246. So we make the like decimal. So how many digits? 1 2 3 4. So we increase here 30. This is a like decimal. Okay. Now means हमने like decimal बनाया है. So dear children, we increase here 2 digit. So we increase here to 0. Now add 7 plus 0 equals 7. 8 plus 0 equal 8. Decimal 9 plus 3 equal 9, 10, 11 and 12 equal 12.87. Now the question number 2, 4.7 plus 2.8. We write here 4.7 plus 2.8 means we write here 10th to 10th place and 1s to 1s place. Means 7 is in the 10th place and 8 is also in the 10th place. So we write here 7 and 8. Okay. Now 2.8. So 8 7 15. 4 to 6 1 7. 7.5. This is your answer. Now here we increase here 20. This is a like decimal. Then 101 112 decimal and 1.21. This is your answer. Now the question number 6. First we make the like decimal. This is your like decimal. Now 7 8 plus 3 equal 8 9 10 11 1 carry 1 and carry 1. 9 1 10 10 4 14 1 carry 15 5 carry 1. 6 4 10 1 11 1 carry 1 and 1 1 2 equal 21.517. Okay. Now, dear children, this exercise is completed. Only two questions, 5.7. Now, the next exercise, 5.8. Yes, now, dear children, in exercise 5.8. Exercise 5.7 is completed. Now the next exercise is 5.8, and in 5.8 is there three questions, and these three questions are word problem. And first question is, on a certain day, Mr. Kirmani drove 36.8 kilometer before lunch and 12.9 kilometer after lunch. How far did he drive that day? So dear children, Mr. Kirmani drove 36.8 kilometer before lunch and after lunch 12.9 kilometer. So he drive equal 36.8 plus 12.9. So 8 plus 9 17, 6 2 8, 1 carry 9 and 3 1 4. Hence Mr. Kirmani drive 49 kilometer, 49.7 kilometer that day. Now the question number second. A tennis racket is on sale for rupees 650.75. A box of six balls cost 100 rupees 110.50 in the same sale. How much will both cost? So dear children, the cost of tennis racket is rupees 650.75, and a box of 6 balls cost rupees 110.50. Means the cost of both items means tennis racket and 6 ball, a box of 6 ball means a box. So the cost of tennis racket and a box equal here 650, so we write here 650, 650.75 and 110.50. 5 7 5 12 to carry 1 and 1 and 5 1 6 and 6 1 7 760 1.25. Now because 761. Okay. Now hence the cost of racket and a box rupees 761.25. 650.75 and 110.50. Okay. Now question number third. In a long jump competition, Mohan jumped a distance of 1.2 meter, 0.97 meter and 1.3 meter. What is the total distance he had jumped? So dear children, long jump competition, Mohan jumped a distance of 1.2 meter, 0.97 meter and 1.3 meter. So the total distance he had jumped 1.2 and 0.97 and 1.3 equal 7, 9 to 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 4 carry 1 and 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Hence, Mohan jumped 3.47 meter. Okay dear children, this exercise 5.8 is completed. Now the next time I will tell you exercise 5.9. Okay? Thank you.